Hello guys and welcome. It's Engineering Rebel, and in this video we are going to install the carburetor. So let's begin. First we have to install the carburetor body onto the head. So in between the carburetor body and the head there is this spacers and there's also these gaskets. So I also have to put that one as well. So the carburetor body is finally installed. Now we have to put in the fuel delivery system, and this is the bits for that. And then this is the idle adjustment, and these are all the pieces for that. Now that our fuel delivery system is complete, now we need to put in the idle adjustment system. So as you guys can see, the fuel delivery and the idle adjustment systems are put in place. Now this would be your accelerator pedal. So this would be like idling, and then full throttle would be like this. So this would allow all the air to go in, therefore giving you much higher revs. So idle would be right about here. As you guys can see, it's a little open, but not a lot. So full throttle would be like this. And you guys can also see that there is a needle in there. Now you got to make sure that that needle is perfectly centered, because if it's not, you can end up damaging it, and that would be very bad because then you have to order another one. So luckily I had it centered, and this little retainer screw is what's holding this accelerator in place. And this little screw in here would just hold this plastic accelerator piece to the metal cylindrical piece. So now let's continue building the fuel delivery system. Well, that wraps it up for this video. My carburetor is all finished and my engine is starting to look more like an engine. So please stay in tune for more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.